Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney Discord. So in order to do this, first of all, make sure you have Discord installed onto your PC. After doing this, you'll have to just navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in Discord Midjourney. Now, this is going to open up this link, that is discord.com invite Midjourney. Click on this link and it is going to open up this page. Now, that page will automatically prompt you to Discord application where you will see join Midjourney option. Click on this option and it is going to quickly add you to the Discord Midjourney server. So first thing that you'll have to do here is navigate to Midjourney bot and click on this accept TOS button, that is the terms of service. Now you can explore how Midjourney works by clicking on Start Tutorial, or you can just click on Skip. So we'll click on Start Tutorial, and as you can see, Midjourney is bit like the early internet. It's open, creative, and you control the tools through text commands. Now to create, you'll have to type in /imagine into the message bar, followed by a description of what to generate, and Midjourney will generate that image. So go to the message section, type in / and you'll have all these prompts for Midjourney. You can type in imagine to create images with Midjourney, choose imagine, and you will see a prompt bar appearing. Here, you'll have to just type in what do you want Midjourney to imagine. So go ahead and type in the prompt that you want Midjourney to imagine, hit enter, and Midjourney will quickly generate that specific image for you. So we have all these images with this prompt, that is imagine vibrant Californian poppies. Now after you type in the prompt, Midjourney will generate some images for you. You'll have to just select which image you like. So I'm going to click on U3, that is the third image, and Midjourney will upscale that image for us to see how it's looking like. Now you can click on that image and it is going to open up in full mode. Now you can click on open in browser, click on visit site, and this is going to open that image quickly in the browser. You can right click here, click on save image and save this image on your PC. Now that's how you create some images using Midjourney. You can go back to Midjourney server and you can get your Midjourney membership by clicking on this button, because without membership you won't be able to create any images on Midjourney. You can click on sign up, purchase a membership, complete the transaction, and you'll be able to create as much images as you want using Midjourney. Now all the announcements will be available in this section on Midjourney server. You can navigate to trial support, you can navigate to newbies and see all these posts from Midjourney. You can navigate to discussion and you'll be able to chat with Midjourney community on Discord. You can also navigate to prompt craft where you can discuss how to craft prompts on Midjourney. You can also navigate to showcase section where you'll be able to see all the art created using Midjourney. So that's all about using Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.